As Chinese President Xi Jinping visits his American counterpart Barack Obama, both leaders will be all smiles in front of the cameras. Behind the scenes, though, the growing importance of Africa to the global economy has the two superpowers pitted on opposite sides of the fence. In 2009, China overtook the United States as Africa's largest trading partner. By 2014, Sino-African trade had hit the $200 billion mark, 3 times the amount of trade the United States does with Africa. According to experts, China's policy on Africa offers resource-backed development loans to oil and mineral-rich nations and has developed special trade and economic cooperation zones in several states, including Nigeria, Ethiopia, and Zambia.
What China did differently was very simple. They came and said, look, we need your commodities, we need your oil, we need your copper. And in order for us to secure the supply for 5-10 years, because the Chinese tend to think longer term, we are happy to give you loans against which you're going to back it with your commodities. You can build roads, you can build railways, you can build your infrastructure.
And the United States is taking note. 6 of the world's 10 fastest growing economies are in sub-Saharan Africa, and a middle class of nearly 350 million individuals is emerging. President Obama's recent trip to Kenya and Ethiopia was meant to take advantage of these facts. By prioritizing and promoting U.S. trade and investment in Africa, building Africa's trade capacity and extending preferential access to the U.S. market for African products.
I think the Americans, until very recently, saw it through a national security prism. They saw Africa as a risk. They saw it as an insecure place. They saw it as a place where they were having to combat terrorism, combat bad guys, and they saw it very much through that prism. However, in the second term of President Obama, I think he's been able to unshackle himself a little bit from that way of thinking. You've seen a renewed engagement, in part driven by the fact that they feel that they've got to play catch up, that the Chinese have got a very big head start.
Africa has the abundant resources to sustain the needs of growing economies globally. And with more investment expected over the coming decade, African states are set to benefit greatly. Robert Nagila, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.